Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Now, today I'm going to go home. Actually, before I go home, I will be attending one of my friend's marriage. So right now I'm in Tezpur University. I'll be traveling to Nagaon. Nagaon, there the marriage ceremony is going to hold. So after that, I'll reach Guwahati, and there I will meet my friend, and then go for some works, and I will show you the moment. I'm ready to start our journey. Actually, I'm going to accompany with some of my friend and a junior and a senior of our department. Actually, we are about to start about. Actually, we are going to start our journey soon. Here is one of our junior, and we are batch, and one senior is coming here. This is one of the. Now we have started our journey. Say hi. Hi. As soon as we reach, we're going to start a block of Nurin's wedding. Now we are on the way. We are about to reach. It's around only 20 kilometers left ahead. Please keep on moving and moving. To scorch heat of the sunlight, everyone got faded. Here is our driver. Actually, now we have reached the wedding spot. Finally, we have reached the wedding spot. So let's go. Dee, how was your experience of traveling?
It was good. Oh, it was good. We talked a lot about Manisana's visit to South Korea.
Oh. Okay, let's go in the entry mode. This is our bride. Beautiful bride.
We are bridesmaids.
So we are going to खाने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. We are going to have our meal over here. हमारे साथ साथ कौन कौन आ रहे हैं? The bride might be tired taking photos with everyone. We'll be heading back to Guwahati shortly. Now, time to say bye bye. Here is the bride. Where is the bride?
No.
Intro her.
That.
The marriage ceremony was over, so now I'm heading towards Guwahati.
There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town.